Building apps with AI in 2025? You've got three heavyweight contenders: Databutton, Cursor, and Bolt. But which one actually deserves your time? Let's break it down. And hey, if this saves you hours of trial and error, smash that subscribe button. Databutton is your AI-powered no-code platform. It's built for non-technical founders and entrepreneurs who want to turn ideas into full-stack web apps through natural language conversations. Think React frontends and Python backends, all generated by AI. Cursor is a supercharged code editor, basically VS Code on steroids with AI built in. It's designed for developers who want intelligent autocomplete, multi-file refactoring, and AI pair programming while keeping full control over their code. Bolt is the browser-based speed demon from StackBlitz. Type what you want, and it generates complete web apps with front-end, back-end, and deployment, all powered by Claude AI and running entirely in your browser using web containers. Let's compare where it matters. Speed and prototyping. Bolt is the fastest. You can literally build and deploy a working app in under 2 minutes. Databutton takes slightly longer but generates production-ready apps in under 60 minutes. Cursor is the slowest because you're still coding, just with AI assistance. Code quality and control. Cursor gives you the highest quality and most control. It's real development with AI helping you write better code. Bolt and Databutton generate code automatically, which is fast but can create over-engineered solutions or hit the dreaded fix and break cycle where solving one bug creates another. Ease of use. Databutton and Bolt both use ChatGPT-style interfaces, zero learning curve for beginners. Cursor looks like a traditional IDE, which can be daunting if you're new to coding. Backend and deployment. Databutton automatically handles AWS, GCP deployment, and includes native integrations with HubSpot, Stripe, and Gmail. Bolt offers one-click Netlify deployment. Cursor requires you to manually deploy using external tools like Vercel or Replit. Best for. Databutton shines for business tools and internal apps with complex integrations. Bolt dominates rapid prototyping and MVPs. Cursor is king for serious developers working on production-grade, scalable applications. Here's the bottom line. If you're a non-technical founder building business apps with integrations, go Databutton. If you need an MVP fast or want to prototype quickly, Bolt is your weapon. But if you're a developer building real, production-ready software that needs to scale, Cursor is still the undisputed champion in 2025. So which one are you choosing? Drop a comment below. And don't forget, links to all three tools are in the description. Subscribe for more AI DevTool breakdowns.